Well, guys, here's something a little different. Brought home. I've always wanted one of these old ancient, I think they're called Camelback drill presses. They can be self-feeding, manual fed. This one's probably the best one I've seen in a long time, personally. It's got a few issues. Fix there. We can fix all that up. The good thing is there ain't too much wrong with the bed. Usually there's some pretty good sized holes in there, but it's got the old 3-phase motor on there. We'll get rid of that. This thing has been used in a hydraulic shop that sold out. I mean, you can tell it's been used up until the day of the sale pretty much, but we're gonna get it all cleaned up. This thing's been pretty sketchy to get on here, but Worcester, Massachusetts, USA. That baby's got to be pretty old. I'm telling you, it is very, very awkward to handle and thick and heavy, and I like it though. Awesome. Well, we got her in the shop. She's all power washed up. Probably get some paint, check it over, see what a guy's got to fix, take it apart a little bit. Definitely upgrade the motor a little bit, I think. I got a 7.5 horse sitting there. I think that's only like probably a 3 or 4 horse, I bet. Not much. It's a pretty interesting piece. Okay, come to find out, found out that's a single phase motor, 2 horse. Thought 3-phase, but I started looking at it. Single phase. I got it rigged up here, just temporary to try it out. We'll see. Ooh, what we got going on there? Brushes must be all dirty. Wow. Hope that don't arc like that all the time. Yeah, I think we better clean that up a little bit. I'll try it again here. Pulling some amps evidently. Pretty excited here. Just need to get this figured out here. Okay, me being stupid. That's the starting coils and brushes. Watch. Lift it up to speed. And there we are. Sweet. Love the belt. A lot of people don't like this kind of stuff, but man, I sure do. It is impressive. We'll get a bit in there and we'll see if the self-feed works, which I believe it should. Right there, gauge that. And there we are. She's gonna start going down. Actually, I gotta engage this, I believe, yet. That should be it. Probably take a little bit because it's going really slow. That's cool. So she's running. Oh. Okay, we got her running again. We're doing auto feed. Not sure if I got it on the right setting, but looks like it's handling it just fine. I took all the guards off. She's working. So we took this bearing cap off here. There's the bearing. Don't look too bad. That's either Babbitt or like it's really soft. There's hardly anything there. I just took it off because I wanted to make sure grease got in there because there was no Zerk on there. Let's see what this front bearing looks like now. Not too bad. Actually, it looks really good. Wow. Something that's probably over 50, I don't know, 100 years old. What do you guys think? Well, I come to the conclusion that these are lead. They pour it very soft. Pretty sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. She sounds pretty oiled up now. Greased all the bearings. Everything is actually pretty darn good here. I am excited. We're gonna clean this up a little bit. They put a handle on there. Pretty nice. All right, guys, stay tuned for the next one. Probably tear it down and clean it up, I think. Paint it. Got this thing for 150 bucks. Shut her down. Restart it. That motor's starting to work a lot better. I'm excited. For 150 bucks, you can't go wrong, right? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode of this drill press. Thanks again.